Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video, we have seen the use of post request and put request in Postman. In this video, I am going to discuss a very important question that have been asked in many interviews, that what is the difference between put and post method? Because put method is used to update an existing resource, but if the resource uh, will not be existing on the server, it will create a new resource as well. So put can be used to create a new resource as well. Okay. So the difference is put is used to send data to a server to create or update a resource. The difference between post and put is put requests are idempotent. So idempotent, it means that calling the same put request multiple times will produce the same result. Let me show you the reason behind that. Let's move to the postman. So here we have post request and here we have put request. So while while sending the put request, we have passed the resource ID to here. So when I will be clicking on this multiple times, it will give me the result 200 okay. Okay, because I am updating this resource every time I am hitting on the send button. Okay, but in the post request, if I am hitting the send request with this request body, so every time I am hitting on the send button, a new resource is being created. Okay, see, the ID of this resource is 495, but if I click on this send button again, a new ID will be created, because a new resource will be created because it is the post method. Okay, see, 389. Okay, now I'm clicking on the send again, it's 198. So every time I am hitting the send button, because it is a post method, it is creating a new resource at this particular endpoint. But in the put request, suppose I am passing here 3 and clicking on send button, so it is giving me 200 okay. It has updated this particular resource with this request body, and every time, suppose I am changing here the request body, for example, let's make it new. Okay, and I'm clicking it send, so again 200 okay. Okay, if you will click on the drop down and select the get button, get method, and click on this, now you can see it has been updated again 200 okay. And this is the information with which you are retrieving. Okay, okay. So let's see the difference, some more differences here. So the method put method is idempotent. This means it will produce the same result if executed more than once. Post method, this method is not idempotent. It produces different results every time it is executed. Similarly, when we need to modify a single resource that is already part of the resource collection, we call the put method. Post method is called when a child resource is to be added under resource collection. Now the syntax in the put method, we have to pass the ID as well, resource ID or the question ID or the user ID. But in the post method, we don't have to pass the ID because we are creating a new component at the server. So this is very specific because we have to tell the server that which particular resource we want to update. This is abstract because every time you hit the send button, it will give you a new resource with a unique ID. Put method makes the use of update query and post method makes the use of create query at the backend. In the put method, the client decides which URI resource should have, and the post method, the server decides which URI resource should have. Okay. So this is I wanted to share about the difference between put and post method. In the next video, I will share with you all the use of patch and delete methods, and then the difference between post, put, and patch methods. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this video. Please support me, and please comment below if you need any you want to ask any questions or you want to provide any feedback. Thank you. Bye-bye.